In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable text suggestions when you're typing on a Windows computer. This is a handy feature that can make composing documents, writing emails, or even chatting with friends faster and easier. Whether you're a seasoned Windows user or relatively new, this simple walkthrough will help you get more out of your typing experience. Let's get started by navigating to your Windows settings. This is where most of the customization and personalization of your Windows experience begins. You can access the settings by clicking on the Start button, typically found in the bottom left corner of your screen, and then selecting the gear icon that represents settings. This might vary slightly depending on your version of Windows, but it should be quite similar across most versions. Once you're in the Windows settings, you'll want to direct your focus to a specific area called Typing. Don't worry about navigating through endless menus to find it. You can simply use the search bar located at the top of the settings window. Just type in Typing, and you should see the option pop right up. Click on it to proceed. Once you're in the typing settings, you'll see a variety of options designed to enhance your typing experience on Windows. The specific feature we are interested in today is called Show Text Suggestions when typing. This tool is effective in providing word predictions as you type, which can significantly speed up your writing and help ensure accuracy. To activate this feature, look for the toggle switch next to Show Text Suggestions when typing. If it's currently turned off, simply click on it to toggle it on. Windows will now provide suggestions for words as you type them, which can be particularly useful for those who type frequently or are in need of some assistance with spelling. And just like that, you're all set. The feature is now enabled, and you should begin to see suggestions popping up as you type in various applications. It's a subtle difference, but one that you'll likely find improves your workflow over time. If at any point you decide that this feature isn't for you, you can easily return to the Typing section in Settings and toggle the feature off with the same steps. I hope you find this feature as useful as many others do. It's one of those small enhancements that, once you start using it, you might wonder how you ever managed without. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been clear and helpful. Feel free to revisit the video if you need to refresh your memory on any of the steps or catch any details you might have missed. Happy typing, and see you in the next video.